Did you hear that? That was a sneeze. I'm Shannon. I'm one of the respiratory therapists here at HRN. Did you know that a sneeze, just one sneeze, travels as fast as 100 miles per hour? That is faster than a cheetah at its max speed, which is 70 miles per hour. A sneeze, or sternutation, is a sudden, forceful, and voluntary expulsion of air from the nose and mouth caused by irritation to the mucous membranes of the upper respiratory tract. What my coworker just did was a natural respiratory reflex. Did you know that mucus spray can travel as far as 10 feet? Don't want to be in the line of that fire. Kudos for my coworker for definitely wearing a mask to keep everyone safe. Thanks for watching, and make sure you follow us at Home Rehab Network for more breathing and respiratory educational resources. See you soon.